I can predict the next money emergency that's about to hit you, except it's not an emergency. You just didn't plan for it, and let's fix it with sinking funds. If you're getting tired of your budget getting thrown off by holidays, car repairs, school stuff, and all those once-in-a-while bills, you're in the right spot today. Having a sinking fund in your budget is so utterly important to just keep your finances on track. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between an emergency fund and sinking funds, and then I'm going to explain all about sinking funds and how you can prepare for them. To not have a sinking fund in your budget will cause you to not be prepared. And I feel this video is going to be so important. So please make sure that you share it with someone that you care about and that may need to hear this. So we need to talk about the really important distinction between an emergency fund and a sinking fund. A lot of people get them confused. An emergency fund is a savings account set off to the side for an emergency. Emergencies are losing your job, a tree fell on your house, maybe an emergency surgery. These are things that you genuinely cannot plan for. It was an emergency. They just happened. But the things that usually send us scrambling, $500 car repair, maybe that car insurance that's due every December, or new set of tires for $700, your kids' summer camp fees, or maybe even your Christmas, those aren't emergencies. Those are predictable. So hopefully this is the aha moment that changes everything for you. And this is why your perfect monthly budget might be getting blown up all the time, because you're getting so good at paying the heating, paying the electric, paying the rent, paying your normal every month bills, but you're not incorporating 10 to 15 or more other expenses that happen throughout the year. So when they show up, you feel like you're being surprise attacked, but you're really not. You could have seen it coming a mile away if you just sit down and take a minute to write everything out every year. So I want you to pay attention, because today is the day we're going to totally change your whole budget and how you do things, and how we can be more prepared for these bills that show up throughout the year. We may only have a bill that shows up every November or every December, and you forget about it. But we need to take the time to write it all out. And so your cycle of being ambushed every year by surprise expenses that are not surprise expenses is going to change today. To get prepared, we need to stop picturing our savings as one big, giant, vague pot of money. That only leads to confusion. Instead, we're going to use a simple but really powerful 3-bucket system. Bucket number 1, this is the bucket that you're already doing so well. It is your bucket full of rent and gas and electric and cable and all your necessities. This covers all the bills that come back like clockwork every month. So you've got this part down. You know how this works. That's bucket number 1. Bucket number 2 is your true emergency bucket. This is for the truly random events that happen that are out of your control. We cannot predict this by any means. This fund's one and only job is to keep your financial life falling apart when something big happens. And then there's bucket number 3. This is the secret weapon. This is the game changer that changes everything. That bucket holds your sinking fund. This is the bucket we're going to use for all those predictable little expenses that were dressing up like emergencies, but weren't really emergencies. Okay, now here's the part that will completely change your relationship with money for the better. Sinking funds. Woo! I know it's so super exciting for everyone, isn't it? It should be. It will save you. You will feel so good when you're able to just pay your bills out of the account because you have the money. That water bill just hit. And I have a water, garbage, sewer bill that hits every 3 months. I got it. I have car registrations and inspections. I got it. I put money aside for my oil changes. I got it. I got it. I'm ready. A sinking fund is just a simple way of saving. It's not complicated at all. Think about it. Instead of having that wave of panic when you get the bill in the mail that $600 car insurance payment is due in 2 weeks. But you have been putting aside $50 every paycheck for the last year. So you're ready. You have no stress. You have no angst. You have nothing but, I got it. I got it. And you do got it. You have it all because you planned it. You're ready for it. And when the bill arrives, you have no stress about it. Here are some of the most common sinking funds that you may want to consider starting today. Car maintenance for repairs, new tires, oil changes, and your annual registration or inspection. Medical or dental for copays, deductibles, prescriptions, and that dental work that you know has to be done this year. Maybe home maintenance, new filters, small repairs, or saving for a larger appliance replacement down the road. For birthdays, anniversaries, and all the end of year holiday fun. Or maybe annual bills, things like insurance premiums, professional dues, or yearly subscriptions like Amazon Prime or Sam's Club. I can almost hear you thinking, but I'm too broke to start saving for all of this. I want to gently challenge that thought. If you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck, then a sinking fund is not a luxury. It is your most essential tool. Let's just take a look at the math for a second. Saving just $25 from each paycheck, if you're paid bi-weekly, will give you $650 at the end of the year. That's the difference between easily being able to cover a new set of tires versus putting it on your credit card and paying extra for it because of the interest rates. You don't have to pay interest rates with your own money out of your own account that you planned for. What expense gives you the most anxiety throughout the year? So here's the most practical and powerful step you can make with the sinking funds. Make sure that you have a completely separate account. The trick is to get the money out of your daily checking account. So out of sight, out of mind, every month, I would automate the transfer. I would do it a day after that you get paid. So that money is taken right out of your account. You don't even see it. It's gone and it's put right in the account that you designate for your sinking funds. And of course, you cannot touch that money. You will need that money at some point throughout the year. And it's very important that you don't tap into that money. It's about shifting your mindset from hoping for the best to preparing for reality. And this is how you trade anxiety for confidence. You're a planner and you're in control now. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you all next week for some more money videos.